Today we'll be making a spike ribbon hair bow. You're going to need scissors, 7 pieces of 4-inch ribbon, 1 2-inch piece of 3/8 inch ribbon, 1 alligator clip with fabric, and 1 regular alligator clip, a lighter, a glue gun, and a needle with thread. So we need to trim the edges of our 7 pieces of ribbon material. I like to use the alligator clip without any fabric as my guide. Makes for consistent, clear edges. So I put it on the edge and then angle it to the corner, and then I cut my edge. I do this on both sides. I have the point of the alligator clip just slightly past the corners so that when I cut, I don't have a boxed edge. I have a clear pointed edge. If you don't have an alligator clip or just don't want to do that and have a pretty good eye for cutting, you can just fold it in half and cut the edges yourself. The only issue I find with this is that it's not always consistent. Now we're going to repeat this for all 7 of our pieces of ribbon. Once we have our ribbon cut, we use our lighter to heat up the edges of the ribbon. This keeps them from fraying. We don't want the ribbon to catch on fire, we just want enough heat to melt the ribbon. It's just a real quick pass through with the flame. And we repeat this on all 7 pieces of ribbon. And don't forget about your 2-inch strip of 3/8 inch ribbon. While we've got the lighter out, do that one too. I like to put my ribbon in order of how I want it on my bow. So I have 3 of my main pieces and then 2 accent colors. So I put them in the order that I'm going to layer them. Starting with your first ribbon, you want to fold it in half lengthwise. And then you're going to use your threaded needle and poke it through, not all the way, just halfway, so your needle is still in there, right in the center. Then you pinch your second piece, and you're going to place that on top of the next one. And then we repeat this until all 7 of them are on your needle. Once you have all 7 pieces of ribbon on your needle, you're going to thread the bow all the way through and then go back through one more time. Once we have our needle threaded through twice, we're going to wrap the remaining thread around the bow until there's just enough thread left to tie a knot. Once your knot is tied, you can cut the remaining thread off. Now our bow is ready to put the 3/8 inch piece of ribbon around the center. So this is where your hot glue gun starts to come in play. We're going to put a strip of glue on the entire piece of ribbon. And then we're going to wrap that over the thread. Just hold it tight until your hot glue dries. It only takes a few seconds. Now you're going to spread your bow apart. Get all the pieces of ribbon separated and opened up. And once you have it where you like it, we're ready to put our fabric covered alligator clip on the back. So again, with the hot glue gun, put a strip of glue, then we attach it to the back of our clip and hold until the glue dries. And that's it. Our bow is complete.